Hi there, welcome to another video of our course, that is C programming, and this is our video number 3. In our previous two videos we have studied about the basic concepts of C, and here in this video we are going to discuss about the C character set and C tokens. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification whenever I upload a new video. And if you are beginners, then this series of C programming tutorial is specially designed for you. And if your friends also want to learn the C programming from beginning, then you can share this video to them also. So without wasting much of time, let's start our discussion. So today in this video we are going to study about the character set and C token. Here in this slide I'm going to discuss about the character set. So just like every other language like English, Nepali, so C also have its own vocabulary and grammar. So or just like other language, C also have its own vocabulary and grammars. And the character set are the set of symbols that is used to form words, number and expression. For example, in English language we have following character sets. So in English we have A, B, C, up lowercase ABCD up to Z, uppercase ABCD, and this exclamation mark, punctuation marks, etc. So these all are the character set of English language. So we use this character set of English language to form the words and to write the sentence. Similarly, in C programming, it has its own character set, and we use this character set to write our C program. So C program has its own character set and it is divided into following groups. So the first group of character set is known as letters. So these are the English alphabet, that is uppercase English alphabet and lowercase English alphabet. So these are the first group of character set that we have in our C programs. And the another type of character set of C program in language is the digit. So these are the 0 up to 9. Using this digit we are going to form the different types of values, different types of numbers. And third type of character set is the special symbol. So these special symbols are this opening curly braces, this ending curly braces, this semicolon, colon, question marks and many more. So we also use this type of special symbol in our C program. And the last but not the least, another type of the C character set is the white space. These are the blank space, tab, new lines comes under the white space. So these are the 4 groups of our character set for C language, and using these character set we are going to write our C programs. So character set are the individual units that is used to write our C programs. And here in this slide we are going to study about C tokens. So in any text, individual words and punctuation marks are called token. Here in this sentence we have various types of tokens. Here we have one, I and in is the one type of token. This white space is also a token. This A is also a token. This text is also a token. So in a text, individual words and punctuation marks are called tokens. So these are the in, a, text, individual, word are the examples of token. Similarly, in C program, the smallest individual units are known as token. So the smallest individual units of a C program is known as tokens, and these tokens are further divided into following groups. So the first type of token is known as keywords. So these keywords are the word which have already defined in our programming language and it has its own meaning. So the predefined word is known as keyword. And another type of C token is the identifiers. So these identifiers are the name given to any functions or variable, or name of a function or a variable is called the identifier. And the another type of token is the constants. So the constants are the fixed value that we are going to use in our code. So these are the constants. And another type of C token is the strings. So strings are the collections of characters and the strings are always put inside the double quotation mark. So the another type of C tokens are strings. And the another type of C tokens after string is the special symbols. So special symbols like opening curly braces, ending curly braces, punctuation mark, semicolon, colon are comes under the special symbols. And last type of the tokens, C tokens, are operators. So the operators are plus, multiplication, division, subtraction, modulus, and or. So this comes under the operators, and we are going to learn each type of C tokens in details in our upcoming manners, and we are also going to see how to declare constants, what are the different types of constants available in C, and how to define strings, how to use strings, how to print strings in our upcoming videos. And we are also have our separate class for operators and its types. And these keywords are the special word which have its own meaning, and in C we have 32 keywords, and these 32 keywords have its own use and it have its own meaning. So here in next slide we are going to use a C program, and here in this sample C code we are trying to identify the different types of C tokens. So here we have void main. So this void main is a token. So this void, sorry, this only void here, this void is a token, this main is a token, this is a token, this and bracket is a token, this int is a token, this a is also a token. Similarly, this all are the tokens. So here we have studied, we have 6 type of tokens, and using this code we are going to identify its type. So this first, this void is a token which is white in color. So always remember those tokens which are white in color are the keyword. Here void is a keyword, int is a keyword. So keyword are those words which has predefined meaning and it has already defined in our language. So this void is a keyword, and this main is a name of a function. So main is a identifier. So the any name given to a function or a variable is known as identifier. Therefore this main is a identifier. This is a special symbol. So this is also a special symbol. It is also a type of token. So int is a keyword. A is a identifier because it is a variable and A is a name of a variable. Similarly, B is also a identifier. So this A is a identifier. This equals to is the operator, assignment operator. This 100 is a special symbols, digits, and similarly we have various type of tokens. So this CLR SCR is a which type of token? This is a identifier because it is a function, and this CLR SCR is a name of a function. Similarly, this printf is a function and this printf is a name of a function. Therefore, this is an identifier. Similarly, this A equals to percentile D, which is inside this double quotation mark. So this is a string. Similarly, this semicolon is a special symbols that we use after the end of every statement. So we need to use semicolon after end of each statement. So these are the building blocks known as tokens which we use to write our C programs. So if you found this video little difficult for understand, don't worry, in our upcoming videos we will learn more about the keyword identifiers, operators and all type of tokens, which will surely help you to understand the concept of tokens and character set in detail. So for time being, consider this is our theory class where we have studied about the different types of tokens and character set, and I would like to request you to make a note for each types of tokens and try to write all 32 types of tokens available in C programming. So that's all for today's video. See you in next video. Thank you.